how you can transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. So first thing first, you need to open any of the internet browser and make sure your browser is in desktop version. So let me get back first. And once you open the YouTube channel, make sure you are in the advanced settings option, and let me rotate it first so that you can see it easily. Now let's scroll it down, and you can see there is move channel option in here right above the delete channel option. So what you can do is simply tap on move channel to a brand account option, which is in blue color, and you need to verify yourself afterward and complete few more formalities, and yeah, you will be able to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.